Headed back to the photo studio, this time for some upgrades. Can't wait to show you guys what I have planned. Here we go. Headed back to the studios at Dwell Point, the photo studio that I am helping curate here in downtown Sacramento. I'm going in today to do some upgrades. We haven't done any upgrades really in a while. Haven't gotten much traction as far as bookings are concerned. So there's a space kind of in the corner by one of the windows. I'll show you when I get up there. That is kind of just a dead space. Like we noticed when we were doing events, people weren't using that space, and we kind of intended it to be an open space that people could get creative and do different things in, but it's just not being used. So we're going to curate that space. I have a bunch of stuff here, not the car seats, but a bunch of stuff here, some kind of furniture. I'm going to build out a little set, curate the space that will hopefully encourage people to shoot there, because I felt like people were getting kind of boshed in and squeezed into certain areas, and it was limiting the amount of space people could use by just not having the space curated or inviting at all. So I got a nice little set that I picked up. Most of it's, or all of it's, from Facebook Marketplace. Got stuff for cheap. I'm not an interior designer by any stretch, but I think it's some good looking stuff. So hopefully it looks good. I'm going to put it all together. Hopefully it all looks good together. And then hopefully when we do our next meetup, which is at the summer camp, Monday, the 21st. No, the 20th. Monday, the 20th. Hopefully people use that corner. I also got a fan because it's going to be hot, man. So we're going to need some, I got 2 fans, so it's going to be hot. So yeah, I'm just going to get back up there. I'm going to grab all this stuff, take it up the stairs, and kind of show you what I have planned for the space. So here we go. So the chair carpet area setup is looking great. I love it. Love the versatility of it as well. I wasn't sure if I would love it, but I absolutely love it. So some really cool shots here on this side with the white background. as well as here with the brick background as well. So really happy with that. Got the fan set up too, man. It's hot up here, so the fans are going. That's helpful. But now we're working on this backdrop here. See if we can get a nice backdrop setup going. That's kind of already set up. Paper is there, pulling it down a little bit. We're gonna have to cut some off because it's really dirty. But nice skylight here. Really, really cool backdrop setup that's gonna add a lot to this space as well. You can see the natural light coming in is really nice. So this is perfect spot for a backdrop setup. So yeah, this is gonna be great. As you can see, the space is really starting to come along. Super excited with how that turned out. I was a little unsure. I'm not like an interior designer or anything like that. I was a little unsure how the furniture would kind of mesh with the carpet and the different colored chairs and the, the end table accent things. But it all really came together nicely. So I'm super excited about that. Really happy to see that it looks good. I think it's going to make for an awesome addition to the studio. It gives it a totally different look. It's almost the exact opposite of the opposite corner. The opposite corner is kind of darker, some like darker reds, browns. This is definitely lighter. It's got the lighter carpet with the lighter chairs. So good to have that kind of mixture of different looks in the same space. It gives people another option to shoot, another area to shoot. So that's a big deal, man. So I think it's gonna do really well. Obviously the ultimate test will be at the meetup this weekend, or no, I'm sorry, next week in a couple days. The fans were a big addition as well. I'll probably want to get one more fan. Honestly, earlier in the week, it looked like it was going to be in the low 80s on Monday, but now it's looking like it's going to be like 95. That's really hot, especially with a big group of people. So we might want to get one more really big fan. So I'm going to try to get one more big fan. But these are all things that like the space needs. So it's not just for the meetup that we're doing for the summer camp. These are just things the space needs in general to make it functionable and workable as a photography studio long term. So, looking forward to the next meetup, but also just kind of generally building this space out. We also added the backdrop, which was a major addition. It definitely needed that. That's, any photo studio needs some sort of backdrop, paper backdrop. So that's a really good one. Love that the skylight is right above it too. So it's got it's just a ton of natural light kind of beaming down in it. It's a little bit of like kind of muted light as well too, because the skylight is not just like a regular window. It's kind of what that like white material kind of cover on it. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's a muted light. So it's really, really nice. It's in a perfect spot. We're probably going to add another backdrop area on the other side as well. But, slowly but surely over time, adding new things to the studio space and just making it better one kind of area at a time. I feel like we have 3 really strong areas and some other areas where people can get creative as well. So you're looking at like 3 to 5 spots for people to shoot. I think that's solid. So the ultimate test will be next week. But if you have any feedback from anything you've seen in the videos, please let me know. Always open to additions and new things that, maybe we're not seeing. And, if you can see things a different way or you think of any ideas, definitely drop me a comment or a message, because I'm open to that for sure. But that'll do it, guys. Stay tuned for more. I'll have a behind the scenes from the meetup, so you'll be able to see that space, the new additions in action at the meetup as well. So see you guys on the next video. Peace.